In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume in TradingView, whether you're trying to streamline your chart view for a cleaner presentation or focusing on specific data without the clutter. This guide will make it easy for you. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to TradingView. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't done so already. This is crucial as it ensures you have full access to all the features and saved charts. If you don't have an account, creating one is simple and free. Now, with your account ready and logged in, let's head over to the chart section. You can usually do this by locating and clicking on the chart option, typically residing on the main menu at the top of the page. You might find yourself on a different page, such as the home page or a predefined watch list. But moving to the chart section is just a click away. Once there, you'll see your active chart displayed. It's likely showing various indicators, one of which is the volume. Spotting the volume indicator shouldn't be difficult, as it's usually represented by green and red bars positioned at the bottom of your chart. These bars help traders visualize the amount of security traded during a set time frame, but sometimes they can be distracting when you want a clearer view of price movements. After locating the volume on your chart, you're going to move your cursor towards it. You'll notice a small, subtle menu icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots, appearing as you hover over the volume indicator. This icon is a gateway to managing the indicators and tools applied to your chart. Click on these 3 dots. Doing so will open up a small drop-down menu with options related to the volume indicator. In this list, one of the options you'll see is Remove. Go ahead and click Remove. This action will effectively delete the volume indicator from your chart, leaving your view uncluttered and focused solely on other indicators and price action. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed the volume from your TradingView chart. With the volume gone, the chart now presents a much cleaner view, making it easier to focus on price movements and other important technical analysis indicators. Remember, you can always add the volume back later if needed by accessing the indicator list on TradingView. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy trading.